A whole number multiplied by itself gives you a square number. They're called square numbers because they can be made into a square shape. But there's no need to flap. There's a quick way to write this. A number squared is also known as to the power of 2 and is shown by the little 2 up there. Let's take this further and multiply a number by itself 3 times, or to the power of 3. Now, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is called a cubed number. We can show that a number is cubed with that little 3 at the top right. So, by cracking out a few squared or cubed numbers, you can whisk up an exceptionally large number in no time.